Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at 2020 Toyota Corolla XLE CVT. This is a 5-passenger 4-door sedan in black sand pearl, and under the hood you'll find a 1.8 liter driving on 16-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, smart key system for easy access, and a backup camera. But now why don't we hop inside this Corolla and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock buttons. Those are trunk release button, which we'll get to in just a moment. I'm going to take a look in the front first. This Corolla does have a smart key system, so if you've got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. I'm going to take a look in the door first. You have some nice storage space in the bottom, and above it you have your power windows, locks, and mirrors. On the right, next to the door, you have your lighting options as well as your heated steering wheel button. And on the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. It is a push to start. Foot on the brake, engine start button. First things first, on the left side of the steering wheel, you have this cluster, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display. Next to that, you have your hands-free calling, voice recognition system, and then your volume options. On the right, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with lane departure assist and dynamic cruise control, and your cruise control speed settings are right next to it. Moving on to our screen here, right now we're on home. It's got this split screen going with the navigation map. Let's just press that, and then any audio that might be playing and any device that might be connected, you can also press that and that map will enlarge. If we go audio, or sorry, to your sources, you have your standard AM and FM options, as well as a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. There's that backup camera. Down below is your climate control system. Nothing complicated. You got these nice smooth turning dials. Underneath is your key wireless charger. When that green light is on, you could just put your phone down right there and that'll charge up without any cables. You have your driver and passenger heated seats. Behind the shifter, you have your 2 cup holders, and behind your 2 cup holders, you have your center console that features a 12-volt outlet and a USB port. Close, glove box, drops down for you nice and slow, giving you plenty of space in there as well. But now let's just close that up. Before we open up the cargo, let's take a quick look in the back. On the bottom of the door, you have some storage space just like the driver's side. The rear passengers do have their own heated seats. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black leather. If we look inside, this middle piece does come down and you got 2 cup holders in there and a nice little armrest. And of course, these seats do fold down. All you got to do is press that button right there and they'll come folding down, giving you access to your cargo. So to open up, all we got to do is hold this third button on the key fob and that trunk will open for you nice and easy. Taking a look inside, plenty of cargo space in the Corolla. Of course, we have the folding seats like I mentioned that do go down. That'll give you some extra bit of cargo space. And if we look underneath, you do have your spare tire and your tools to change that in case that ever goes out on you. To close up, just give that a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2020 Toyota Corolla XLE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, Bluetooth compatibility, and navigation. There's a whole lot more I still didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest, Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.